Yo guys, this is Chris and today I am back with a Shein kitchen haul. And I love Shein because it gives you a bunch of like cheap ass shit, you know, that stinks and it's probably toxic, but you know what, we are here and we're gonna do this kitchen haul. So over the years I've been collecting, well not collecting, I've been buying random Shein kitchen stuff because it's so cheap and I'm like, I might need this. And you know what, everything that I bought I really kind of utilize. So I'm going to tell you what is the good stuff on Shein, what you should be buying on Shein and what you should avoid. So I'm going to show you what I got and what has worked for me and what could work for you. So behind me, I have like my Shein kitchen stash that I collected that I put in the sandwich box because today I filmed the video for work and they gave me a bunch of free sandwiches. So I stole like 3 boxes of sandwiches because you know I have to try everything. So let's go one by one and I'm gonna list everything below of what I got. Hopefully it's all in stock because some of this stuff is from like 2 years ago, but I'm sure it's still in stock. So let's go for the first item. I have this basket that I got for Shein. It was pretty cheap. I'll list the price below. So this basket I like putting like chips and snacks. So I have here like my Mexican cookies and my coffee because I'm addicted. And within here is another product. I don't know if you see that I bought from Shein too, which is these chip bag clips, and they are so freaking sturdy. You get 2 of these and I think I just broke it because I've been doing it so much. So these bag chips are a must. So another item that I just bought are these cute little lunch bags. They're strawberry lunch bags and they give you this much. Look how many bags they give you. These strawberry lunch bags were $5 and they give you 20 pieces. You can put like little stuff in there. You know what, I'm gonna put everything that I bought in Shein in this little bag. So I wanted to get these for my lunch because I want to be a little child when I go to work and put my sandwich in here, my little juice, and be really cute. Even though no one will appreciate that at work, they'll probably think like, what is wrong with this girl? Yes, I will still bring my lunches in cute little bags. So it's just for my pleasure of making me happy every day at my miserable job. They're so cute. I just want to put everything in there. I want to put myself in there if I could fit. Another cute thing that I got is this 4-piece cartoon design seasoning bottle. They're like tiny little bottles. They're actually smaller than what I thought. These were only $4. It's a little pricey, but I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger. I don't know what to put in these because I don't know what will fit. Maybe like salad dressing so I won't go overboard. They're pretty pricey. So I've been trying to be good and taking like my breakfast and lunch to work, but I need to put some stuff like hot sauce in a container and I don't have a place to put my hot sauce. So I bought this 20-piece disposable sauce cups and these were $2 and I could just put like my Valentina sauce in here for my eggs and I'm set to go. I don't have to like, you know, take the entire bottle because my coworkers will probably steal my bottle, so I have to like put them in little containers. And I could put my salad dressing because those little ones are too tiny. So this is perfect. 20-piece, $2. Hello. You know my obsession with skulls. I am very obsessed with skulls. Oh, that is crooked. I don't need this, but I kind of had to have it and it was really cheap. This is a 1-piece, it's a random color, random skull sink drain basket. And guess how much it was? $2. And it has like the 2 little suction cups, but they keep falling. That's a problem, is that if you move this up, this will fall off your sink, but it does suction up because I have used this and yeah, it just like falls off pretty easily even though it's so cute and it's $2. I can't say no to skull-shaped things, and this is not the only skull-shaped thing that I've bought. I eat eggs every morning for breakfast and I wanted to do something fancy, so I got this fried egg mold. You know, like the Egg McMuffins, little egg circles. I want that. I'm hoping this would work. So here it is. I haven't used it before, but I'll probably use it and show you in the video how it works. So I want to try this out. I'll let you guys know how this works. I got this graphic print microwave oven cover for $4. I have a previous one that I've used on top of my microwave because my cat Felix loves to eat on top of the microwave. Like, that's his spot. so I have to put a cover over it so he can like sit comfortably. Like, I'm telling you, he absolutely loves his cover. And I wanted to buy a new print because I keep buying like this. I have this tropical green print that you see there, and Felix loves it and he likes to eat up there, and you know, we need something up there. But it's a little dirty now and we keep buying one over and over, but I wanted to do a different color. But this is absolutely way too small than the one that I bought. I'm gonna return it. It's very tiny. Look how tiny it is. It's like 2 of my heads. Well, kind of. And I'm gonna return this. I have this manual garlic press, and this was $4. I needed something for my garlic. So I wanted to try this out. I was like, why not? Let's see how this works. And so far it worked pretty decent. I like it. It does its job. $4. So I actually do recommend this one. So it's just a little wonky. Sometimes it gets stuck like that if you go really fast or something like that, you see? So you just have to do that. I mean, it's no big deal. I'm just going crazy. But yeah, $4, why not? This is like my absolute favorite of all the Shein stuff. This is just gonna be like a kitchen egg haul because I'm just talking about my huevitos. I absolutely love my huevitos every morning. I just spit all over. So I love my huevitos every morning, and I bought 2 cute whisks that has these teddy bear prints from the handle. Actually, they're the same size. I bought one before that was tinier too because it's very random. And these were $1.50. This is a must-have. I whisk my eggs so effortlessly, and they're just so cute. They're just so cute. You kiss, you kiss. Ugh. I don't know why I bought this, and this is a little pricey. Because I want to be a pastry chef one day. I don't know why I bought this. But this is a 4-piece 6-inch cake molds. I think the picture really just got me to buy it because I like anything rainbow and colorful and stuff like that. Even though I have a really dark black card. But this was $10, and I have yet to use these to make cake. I don't even know what will fit in here, what cake mold will fit. It's gonna be very tiny, but I should try it one day and you know, make a little tiny baby cake. But you have to put these in the oven over and over to make like a bunch of layers to make the cake really tall. So I don't know, but one day I'll use this. $10. I regret buying these, but I should make a cake one day. And I saw that Shein had a silicone oil brush, and I ended up buying it. It gives you a random color, and I love this color, and this is what I use all the time when I just want to, like, you know, even out my oil in the pan. I love this. So I got 2 ice cream scoopers. This is a stainless steel ice cream ball scooper. It is 1 piece, so they have 3 different sizes, and I got the smallest. No, I think I got the second to the smallest and the biggest size. So I think this is C and this is B. And each one was $4, but you don't understand how much I use these. Of course, for ice cream. But I use these just to scoop even pancake batter, and I absolutely love these. So I had to get both sizes because I realized this was too big and I needed something kind of small, and this worked like a charm for my cookies. They work great, they're strong, and they're perfect. So hear that noise. Yeah. Yes, this is a must-have. You know how I said I liked everything Skelly Man like? I got this ice mold, and it gives you 4 Skelly Man ice cubes, and they're so cute. So this school ice mold was $3.50, and it's so worth it because I like putting it in my drinks even though it gives you 4. I love it. I cherish it. It's a little dirty. I don't know why it's dirty, but it makes the perfect ice cubes for drinks. So this is another must-have if you like skulls, like me. I love skulls. I think I might have a problem. Oh, I got some containers. I got this fruit print plastic. It's a water bottle, but I'm using this for my almond milk. So the reason I got this is because not only is it cute, but because my coworkers would take my almond milk, I would bring the entire container and leave it in the fridge, and they would use it for themselves, and I'm like, it's my almond milk, you guys, it's from my coffee, I can't live without it. So I need to put my special almond milk in a container so they won't steal, and since it's cute, they'll probably be like, I don't know what that is, and it'll be all mine because they all know that I like cute things. So, and this was $9, guys. This was expensive. It's really cute, so $9, it didn't hurt me that much. And it matches. I'm red. Today is actually Valentine's Day, and I was like, I'm bored, I got nothing to do, so let me film this video. I really like my little container. It's so cute. I absolutely love my spatula so much that I ended up buying another one, but I think I ordered the wrong one, or it's the same one but different size. I don't know what happened. So this is a one-piece silicone random baking spatula. I use this for my eggs mostly because it's just so clean to do your eggs with these. Also for baking, but mostly for my huevitos because I love my huevitos. Basically everything is to assist me in making huevos in the morning because I love eggs. What can I say? I need to turn into an egg. I love eggs. But the last item is not so exciting. It's like the least exciting item. I'm sorry, I don't know. I didn't leave the best for last. I left like the worst for last. So I got this egg separator. I mean, what can I say? It's okay. I've kind of tried using it, but I realized I need 2 hands, and it's just, look in the picture how you're supposed to do it. I do not have a bowl that I can lean this perfectly sized like in the picture. I only used it once and then like, this thing sucks. So yeah, this was only $2. I mean, I don't recommend it. Maybe you'll get use out of it, but for me, it's just sitting there. That ends my Shein kitchen haul. I hope you learned a lot from it. Let me know what item you have and you love, or which one should I look out for. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like, and feel free to comment below. I love to hear what you guys gotta say. Even the mean comments. Yeah, give me the mean comments. I want them. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Here we go. Boop. This is how you get dimples. I'm so dumb.